Alright guys, these speakers. What's up YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today gonna be a short video guys. We are gonna be checking out these well no, they're not even mid-range. They are tweeters. They will be going in the 75 caprice. Yeah, so let's check them out. So we're gonna check these out today. You can get these on Amazon pretty cheap. They say this is like the brand that makes the Terry amps. Those are like good bass amps and good high amps out here. So like it's like the new thing. They're Brazilian made amps. So we're gonna check these out, man. The PRVs. What size was these again? Shoot. I'll link it in the description. 1.32 inch mountain depth, diameter 2.95. So these are 3-inch tweeters. So I will give y'all my honest opinion about these guys, man. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're going up all 2021 with the Silky Smooth gang. Yes sir. Alright, let's get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Well guys, I cannot complain about these little tweeters, man. They sound good. So I'm gonna turn it on without, I only got one of them plugged up too. So I'm gonna turn it on right now without that. And then I'm gonna try to do this quick because of the copyright. But yeah, let's get it. Let's go. So this gonna be without, and then y'all gonna hear it kick in. These mugs is loud. Gosh, them boys is loud. Them boys is loud. So I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna finish installing them, and then I'll let y'all know my honest opinion on them. So let's get right to it. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, guys. These speakers do sound awesome. So I'm gonna put my beat on. And we're gonna go down. I'm gonna walk down the street, see how far we can get, see if we can still hear this thing. So y'all check out that PRV, man. That's pretty good stuff. All right, let's get it going. Let's go. Alright guys, the song's over. I made it all the way down to the end of the block. Let me know what y'all think. Drop down in the comments, let me know. Appreciate y'all rocking with Silky Smooth Gang, Coleman Crew. And we out. See you in the next video. Peace.